virtual assisting jobs for beginners in 2021. Guys, today I'm telling you about different virtual assisting websites and apps that offer virtual assistant jobs that you can avail by sitting at home and earn money. So let's start. Up first, we have a website named Belay. Now, Belay is a website that provides virtual assisting jobs, and there are different services that you can provide and earn money. So let's check out their services. Up first, we have virtual assistants. Of course, you can become a virtual assistant. What a virtual assistant does is, for example, email marketing or data entry or dealing with the clients and different things that a company requires. So on Belay, you will actually find different jobs of virtual assistant, and you can actually earn a lot of money through this. Now, Belay is a US based website, but you can also earn money by, if you're living in different countries, not living in US, you can also make money by becoming a virtual assistant at Belay. Then there is a virtual bookkeeper job, which is very amazing job. You can become a bookkeeper for somebody. For example, you have to keep track of different books and find different books for a company or a person on Amazon or ebooks and different things. So you can actually avail this service also and become a bookkeeper. That's so easy, and you can actually earn money through it. It's amazing, guys. So on Belay, you can actually become a bookkeeper as well. Then there is a social media strategist. Now, you may say that you know nothing about the websites or email marketing. All you know is just how to use Facebook or how to use Instagram. So I will just say that that's not actually an issue. You can become a social media strategist for someone. All you have to do is just manage their social media, for example, their Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. So it's awesome. Even on Instagram, I also used to manage someone's Instagram, and trust me, it's super easy because we know different accounts, we follow everyone, so you have an idea how to do that. So do it for somebody else and earn money through it. So you can actually become a professional social media strategist on Belay as well. Then there is a website specialist. Now, website specialists are the ones that will create a website or manage a website for a company or a client. Now, you can just, all you need is a basic knowledge about the websites and everything. If you do have knowledge about websites and web development, then it's an awesome job for you. You can do that for a client and earn money. And even if you do not know how to create different websites, there are people who want you to create their websites, you can simply go ahead and check out different tutorials that are available on our channel. Actually, there are, I made a video on how to make a website on Joomla or Google Sites. You can go ahead and check them out. The link will be given in the description. So you can simply go ahead and check them out and become a website manager for somebody. So we help you all the time. So after that, let me show you around the salaries of Belay. Now you may ask how much you're gonna make on Belay. So you can check them out right here. For example, you are a virtual assistant, so you will get $19 per hour, which is amazing. If you think about it, it's amazing. Then there is virtual assistant for $18 per hour. Then there is also $20 per hour. Now it depends on different companies and clients and your talent. Then there are different jobs. For example, bookkeeper. The bookkeeper can make up to $2,000 per month, which is amazing. Then there is something called contractor. You can make up to $14 to $70. And then there is virtual executive assistant, which is $18 to $21 per hour. Then there is administrative assistant, which can make up to $20 to $25 per hour. Similarly, there are different jobs that pay up to $15 to $27, or you can check out, this is the yearly pay, which is $48,000 to $52, which is insane. So you can actually, we can say that on average, on Belay, you will actually make around about from 21 per per hour to 25 USD per hour. So it's amazing. So go ahead and check out Belay if you want to work as a virtual assistant. So next we have a website called Fancy Hands. Now, as by the name you can tell, it's a virtual assistant website, of course, and it also offers different jobs. So if we go to jobs right here, you will find different jobs on Fancy Hands as well. Now, as a virtual assistant, sometimes we think that we cannot do a task, but trust me, there are literally millions of tasks that are available, and you're like, okay, I can make money with by doing this, and you do it and then you make money, which is amazing. So this is what Fancy Hands looks like. So what I can do is just simply go ahead and apply for an assistant position. Fancy Hand offers virtual assistant to everyone. So amazing. All you need to have is a good fast internet connection and the ability to use common websites and softwares. Amazing. After that, things you will do: build apps, website extensions and companies, design and develop internal and external APIs, push codes multiple times a day, help establish a great engineering culture. So these are the things that you can do on Fancy Hands. There are lots of jobs for you as a virtual assistant on Fancy Hands. Now let me show you how much Fancy Hands can pay you. So the average Fancy Hand hourly pay ranges from 17 USD per hour for a virtual assistant. So this is the average, and I think it's a good amount for a virtual assistant. So you can go ahead and check out Fancy Hands. It's an amazing website for virtual assistants. Now there are literally lots of websites that I will actually show you in the end of the video, that many other websites that you can avail. So for now, let me show you another option, which is to go to a freelancing website. For example, right now I am at Upwork. Now what happens on Upwork is you can check out that there are different virtual assistant jobs available. People will post their jobs right here and you can become a virtual assistant on Upwork, or there are literally many freelancing websites, for example Fiverr or Freelancer or many others, for example, and you can check out the rates right here. For example, this lady right here is charging 40 USD per hour, which is amazing, and she's a transcriptionist. Like, that's amazing, and she has earned like more than 10,000 USD, which is amazing. If we go down, you can see that this man is charging like 60 USD, and what he does is Zoom video conference specialist. So he's making like $60 per hour. Then this one right here, 48 USD per hour, 40 USD. Then if we go down, this man right here is also making $60 per hour. That's a lot of money. Like, what he does is Zoom ads, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and video editing. Like, check this out. This is amazing, and he has made like more than $70,000 on Upwork, which is amazing. So you can actually go ahead and become a virtual assistant on any of the freelancing websites, and there are actually many. For example, this is Upwork. You can go ahead and check out Fiverr or any other. Let me show you what you can do on LinkedIn. Now LinkedIn also offers virtual assistant jobs. You can, wherever you will go, you will find different jobs, trust me, and they are so easy. You can check out all the platforms. So if we go right here and I click on this job, or let's check out this one. So you can see they're saying they want a virtual office assistant, and let me show you how much you will make on this job. You can see this company is paying you $27 per hour during training and $53 per hour after the training. That's a lot of like money. You can actually work here. You can check out this job, and if you want to work $50 per hour, it's amazing. If you're working 2 hours a day, you will make $100 a day, which is amazing. And there are benefits includes, for example, 401k, health and dental, paid vacation, and 2 weeks sick leave. It's like literally your like a day job. So you can go ahead and check out all the jobs on LinkedIn as well. There are literally lots of jobs that LinkedIn is also offering. There is also then Indeed. You can go ahead on Indeed and check out the virtual assistant jobs on Indeed as well. After LinkedIn, let me take you to a website, to an article that I saw, and I think you should check this out. Also, this is by Hokie Handbook. This is how to become a virtual assistant even without experience. Now, this is a very elaborated article. I think you should check this out. It's amazing if you are a beginner and you're wondering how this all virtual assistant thing works. So you can go ahead and check it out. For example, look at this. What services does a virtual assistant provide? So there are literally a lots of services that you can provide: social media management, then there is lead generation, email management, customer support, creating sales pages, website design, WordPress maintenance, editing and proofreading, transcription, content research, keyword research, bookkeeping, data entry, editing videos. So you can actually go ahead, and if you have any experience in any of these fields, you can become a virtual assistant. Now, there is also 6 steps to get started as a virtual assistant. You can read this as well. There are different steps for you if you're starting as a beginner. Then 7 steps or to getting your first virtual assistant client. Now, that's a question you might ask, like how to get a client. Now, you can check out in this article. Know who your ideal clients are. This is your step 1. Then find the ideal prospects in your target market. Begin building relationship with the potential clients. Pitch yourself for new VA jobs daily. Offer a trial period for your virtual assistant role. Check in early and consistency, and then make yourself irreplaceable. Now, that's a good advice. Do provide good work, and then you will be able to earn a lot of money. So you can just go ahead and check this article as well. It will really help you as a virtual assistant. Now, as I mentioned in the start, that there are many virtual assistant websites. So this is an article by Time Doctor, which is like top 25 virtual assistant websites for VA services in 2021. So let me show you around what different websites are available. Like, for example, at first, like, you can check this out. It's an amazing article with pros and cons and pricing and everything. So for example, if we want to check out a website, for example, this is a website called Magic, and we can just see the key features, the process of hiring a VA, and then we can check out their pricing. Their pricing plan starts at 10 USD per hour. So that's amazing. You will get 10 USD per hour on Magic. Then there are different websites. For example, look at this. Fancy Hands is also here that we just saw. Then there is this website called 24/7 Virtual Assistant. You can go ahead and check out what their key features are, the process of hiring, their pros, and then their pricing. Their pricing is plans for VA working from an offshore starts at $299 USD, and pricing plan for VA located in the US is $399 USD, which is amazing. After that, you can see different freelancing websites are also available here. For example, Fiverr. On Fiverr, you can actually make up to $40 per hour. It depends on your rating. And then there are different websites. For example, you can check out this website also, which is called like Boldly, and it pays up to, you can see pricing plans start at $1,070 per month for 30 hours of service. If you're providing 30 hours of service, you can actually make up to $1,000. So there are different websites that you can check out. Go ahead and check this article as well, and you will know about different websites. Go ahead and make yourself a virtual assistant and earn money. So yeah, guys, this is it for the video. I hope I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to become a very good virtual assistant and earn money by sitting at home. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.